Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing a FabFitFun unboxing for fall. So let's get in and let's get into that box. Alright guys, welcome back. So as you know, FabFitFun, well, let me step back. If you don't know, FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription. You basically get a new box every time there's a new season. So this is actually the fall box. Now this is the first time that I'm actually getting a smaller type of box. Usually it's like super huge and it takes over the whole screen when we do a thumbnail. But this is kind of cool that they switched it up this season to making it a little bit smaller. I love the boxes because they're always designed in whatever the season is. So this one obviously has those fall leaves and stuff. But if you don't know, FabFitFun is, like I said, it's a quarterly subscription. And if you want to check this out, you can get $10 off your first box. I will have that information underneath in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. I love it. It's actually one of the only subscription boxes that I've kept since I've been doing, since I've switched up my channel. I've been doing these like beauty and lifestyle and hygiene videos. This is the only one I keep because it's actually things that I get to pick out. So that's one thing, you get to pick out the products in here. If you pay for the year, you get to pick up mostly all of the products that you get in your box, it seems to be. Usually it was like a little bit more than if you pay for the quarter. I think if you pay for the quarter, you get to choose 3, but when you pay for the year, it seems like they switched it up. You get to pick all of the products. So let us just take a look and see what is inside this box, just to get me in that fall mood. So if you look inside the box, it is designed as well. So obviously it's the fall design. So let me see. And they always give you these, like these little magazines that give you more of a description and the retail value of what's in the box and different recipes and things like that. So we will put that to the side. And okay, so we're gonna put that to the side. I wanna have that open so that I can give you guys the retail value of the products, and that'll be under the description box below. And they give you like different offers. So one is like a credit to brilliant sellers. And I actually have to buy a wine cellar, so maybe I'll check that out. And this is something from Nourish. And then we always get HelloFresh. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have ever tried HelloFresh. I have yet to try HelloFresh, even though FabFitFun always sends me coupons for it every time. All right, so this is everything that was in my box this time around. Usually, I think the boxes are probably based on what you chose. So usually I choose like kitchenware is what I've chosen, a throw, and usually that I can see why they gave me a smaller box, because this time around it was mainly hygiene products. So if you love hygiene products, then this is definitely one that you want to add, because you get introduced to different companies that you don't see normally in like Target and Walmart. So you get to be introduced to those type of products to see if that's something that you would be interested in. All right, so the very first thing I see here is Ren, Clean Skincare. This is Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. So this is what that looks like there. And let me see if I can find it in the magazine, so I can tell you guys how much this one is. So this is what that looks like there. Let me see if I can find it really quick for you guys. And just bear with me because I gotta find it. Usually it used to be in like the first couple of pages. And I'm noticing now that they're just putting it anywhere. So let me see if I can find it for you guys. No, it doesn't seem like it. All right, so I will put I don't see it. I will put the information again for each of the products in the description box below too, so you guys can check them out and see what the retail value is. I'll also put the retail value of my entire box so you guys can take a look and see. I don't see, they seem to have switched it up. I don't see that they listed like the list of products that you can get. Usually that's what they do. but I don't see that. So we are not going to waste any more time. I'm just checking one more time to be sure I'm not bugging out. Because they have all the products like all over the place, but not in one consistent place. Let me see, maybe it's in the back. Yeah, there's products in the back, but not this specific one. All right, so let's go back. All right, so this is Ren, and this is Everclear Day Cream. So you would use this in the day, and I actually like this because it has like a little pump. So let me see if it has any like type of scent to it. And then the consistency you see there is white. I put a little bit just in case I have to try any of the other products here. And it has, okay, so this one has, this seems to be like an earthier type of day cream. So this is, let me see. It says clean to the skin, clean to the planet. So yeah, this is gonna be one of those day creams that are, they smell a little earthier. You guys have seen those videos on my channel before. I forgot the name of the company, but this is definitely one that's gonna be more so, it's, okay, so it's vegan. So this is like a natural product. So if you've ever had like any vegan products before or any earthy type, this is gonna be the brand. This is gonna be the type for that. Let me take a look and get all these squigglies out without making a mess. All right, so the next thing we have here is from Gloss Moderne. This is Clean Luxury Hair Mask. And I think, not too sure. I think I think the last box that I got from FabFitFun, I'd have to take a look, and you guys would have to take a look too. I think I got a deep conditioner from them before. I don't think it was the same product. I'm not too sure if it was. I'd have to check that video out to see, but this is a hair mask. And if if you're like a natural curly hair girl right now, you know how much we go through hair masks. We go through hair masks a lot as far as like on wash days. So let me just take a look. And actually, I'm not gonna open this up because I'm not too sure if this is the same one, and I don't want this to get wasted or time itself out. All right, so basically, usually with the hair mask, let me see if it tells me here. It just says leave on your hair. And usually with the hair mask, what I do with hair mask is on my wash days, when I'm using like shampoo, deep conditioner, I'm doing everything to my hair. Usually what I do is I will leave this on my hair. Probably as long as I could in the shower. I'll wash my hair really quick, put the conditioner really quick so that I can untangle it, and then put a deep conditioner and leave that in my hair as long as possible. So I'll do everything else like shave and wash my body, just so I can try to keep this on for like 10-15 minutes and while I'm in the shower doing everything else I have to do. And then leave this, then, you know, obviously rinse this out. Usually the hair mask, and if you guys know, if you have curly hair, your hair can tend to be dry. So this is always good to use as much and leave it in your hair as long as possible, because your hair needs hydration. So those are always good. All right, so let me see what the next thing we have here. So the next thing we have is, it says Pink Diamond. This is Instant Lifting Serum. And I actually need a serum because the one that I got, if you watch that TJ Maxx shop with me, I picked up a serum from there. I think I picked it up for $4.99 because I needed one. It was like a brightening one. I needed one right away. So this one, I definitely needed this. And if I remember, I believe this is one of the options I chose. I can't remember, but let us take a look. I love it. I love when it looks very luxurious, bougie, and things like that. All right, so let me see how this one smells, if it smells at all. So the consistency for this will be white. I kind of thought it was going to be clear from the package, but it's not. So let me just take a look here. So it doesn't really it has a light scent to it, but not really. It kind of has like compared to the other one, the other one is straight up earthy. This one has like it doesn't have any rosy scent or anything like that. I'm just making sure. it smells like clean. It smells like fresh and clean. So that one is gonna be a little bit more fresher and clean. But serums, you're just topping that on before your moisturizer anyway. So that is, you need that anyway. And see, I told you guys, this is why I love FabFitFun. This is not even in the list of products I was supposed to get, but they gave me a Dove antiperspirant deodorant. And this is Dove Advanced Care Cucumber and green tea. And I actually have the full-size version of this, so this is perfect to like put in your car, put in your purse, just in case you're on the go and you feel hot. In Texas right now, it's hot, so I know I'm opening up a fall box, but we are still in the summer. It's like still like over 90 degrees right now, but this is perfect to throw in your purse or just have to travel, just in case you need to freshen yourself up. So that was cool. I didn't realize we were gonna get that. And the next thing we have here, let me see. All right, so the next thing we have here, another thing that is hygiene, for hygiene lovers. This is from either Coors or Caress. It's not Caress, the hygiene one what we always get at the bath, you know, in the store. This is Coors, so you can see that there. And this is a body wash. This is, let me see, it says renewing body cleanser. So it seems to be a fruity renewing body cleanser. So this is 8 fluid ounces. So I'm definitely gonna try this out and give you guys a heads up. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys will see every time I kind of want to give my thoughts on a product, I put that up on Instagram. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely go check that out. But yeah, this is, let me see if I can open this up and kind of get an idea. I thought I had my scissors here, but I'll use my nails. So give me a second. Or maybe not. Hold on. Let me see if I can grab it. Yep, we're gonna use the nail. We're gonna need a knife. All right, so give me a second. And yep, I am in my shorts because, like I said, 90 degrees. It is just too hot for all of that to try to look cute. My gosh, this thing is like superly covered. So give me a second. I just want to see how it smells for you guys. It seems like by the cover it would be fruity, but I just want to give you guys a heads up so you know what is in this box. This is like, I guess they wanted to make sure this did not spill while shipping to you, but they are definitely, sheesh. Okay, so we have it open. All right, so let me see if I can. Yeah, definitely a fruity. Yeah, this is definitely fruity. So it says what is this? 88% natural origin content. So it's definitely natural. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side so I don't spill it, but definitely that one is a fruity shower gel. All right, so the next thing we have here, let me see. Something in here, so. Okay, so this is definitely different. I had to read it twice just to be sure. That's what threw me off. It says alcohol-free Heineken. All right, so that is definitely different. All right, so I am not a beer person, but I would definitely give this to my husband. It has no alcohol, but like I said, I don't like beer, so I'll have him try this out. I've never gotten samples. Well, I don't remember getting samples like that before, but I recently switched from the quarterly subscription to the annual, so I'm not too sure if that's something that you usually get as an annual member, but we got samples today. So we got the beer and we got Dove, so I can dig it. Who doesn't like free samples? It just threw me off. I was like, wait, what? All right, so the next thing we have here is black battery powered toothbrush. So I think about a year ago, we had to toss our battery powered toothbrush because it was just toe up. And I wanted to try this again and just have this shared with myself and my husband, just so that we can give this a try. So this is what it looks like. And again, all the products I'll list in the description so you guys can check it out. And that's cool. It came with batteries and two toothbrush heads, which one fell. Here we go. You got 2 toothbrush heads, so that's cool. And yeah, it came with 1 handle, 2 replacement heads, 2 AA batteries, and 1 user manual. So we're gonna put that back in here before I drop everything off again. So that's in there. And then last but not least, this is the one I was like the most excited for. If you watched any of my TJ Maxx or Marshall's shop with me, anytime I see this brand there, I instantly grab it, whether or not I need it, who knows, but I was excited to get this. So this is Pattern Beauty. This is the Gel Shine, Define, and Hold. Now, because I was able to find like the little shower, the shampoo and the conditioner inside of TJ Maxx one time. Those things define my curls so good. So I've been obsessed. So I definitely feel like I have to get the big jumbo, I think they're called Jumblettes shampoo and conditioner, but I have to finish what I have here first before I get that. But yes. If you have curly hair, I have between 3A and 3B curly hair. So if you have curly hair, if you want to try this out, I definitely would try to go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls first to see if you see anything in stock. They had like little sample sizes. I haven't seen a gel size yet, but shampoo and conditioner, I definitely have been seeing those in TJ Maxx. So definitely give those a try just to see if it works for hair. But that was everything that was inside of my FabFitFun for fall. So what did you guys think? Is it something that you guys would be interested? Like I said, I love it because it is a combination of hair, hygiene, skincare. It's everything that I know I'm going to use for that season. So if I run out, I can just wait for the next box and get it before, or just go to TJ Maxx and get something in the meantime, and then just wait for that next one. So the winter one will be next, but we have a couple months for that. We're sticking with fall. So yeah, if you want that $10 off coupon, definitely look in the description box below because that'll be there. But yeah, with that being said, let me know in the comment section below if you guys get FabFitFun. What are your thoughts on it? Like I said, I love it, especially because of the hygiene products. So with that being said, make sure you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.